You might be looking for that jump start in learning Chinese language, or you just are starting and you just wanted to learn some common words and phrases for a start. And we need to start somewhere, and we all do. Don't worry, on this video, I will introduce to you the most common phrases, words in Chinese for you to start using and implement right away in your daily conversations. Do you like that? Alright, if you do, stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's start. 跑步跑步 means run. 跑步运动运动 means exercise. Exercise. 运动运动运动 This is one of my favorite. 游泳游泳游泳 means swimming. Swimming. And we have 学习学习 means studying. Studying. 购物购物购物 means shopping. Do you like to shop and spend money? 购物 means shopping. 喝咖啡喝咖啡 Have you guessed it? 咖啡 means coffee. 喝 means drink. Drink coffee. 喝咖啡喝咖啡 Come on, let's practice. 喝水喝水 Oh yeah, you heard this in the previous word. 喝 means drink. 水 means water. 水 means water. It's like flowing. 喝水 means drink water. 饿了饿了 Can you guess what it is? It means I'm hungry. 渴了渴了 That means I'm thirsty. 渴了热热 What does this mean? I think you have guessed it. It's hot. 热热冷冷 I think you've guessed it. Cold. It's cold. 凉快凉快 This is cool. It's not cold, but just enough. That is cool. Can you guess this next word? 辣辣辣 Yes. Spicy. You're right. Spicy. 甜甜甜 Do you know what is this? Sweet. Sweet. 咸咸 means salty. Salty. You can actually use this in the restaurant. Come on, let's practice. 油腻油腻油腻 Oily. The food is oily. 这个菜很油腻 You can tell that this dish is so oily. 很油腻很 means very. 油腻 is oily. And you combine both, it will become 很油腻 means very oily. 好吃好吃 That means delicious. When we're eating and you like the food, you can say 好吃 Then if you want to add like a little bit of, flavor of your sentence, you can say 这个好吃这个好吃 It means this is delicious. 去去 This next word means to go. 去 我要去外面 I want to go outside 我去外面来 The other word was to go. This word is the opposite 来 come come 你会来我的家吗 Are you coming into my home? So earlier we do have a few words, so we can use those words. So let's say, for example, what was that? 咖啡 coffee 这个咖啡很好喝 What does this mean? It means this coffee tastes delicious. You might be thinking, hey, Yonghuang, earlier you mentioned 好吃 is delicious. But why is this in this case is 很好喝 好喝 means, do you remember? Drink. So if you say drink is 喝好 means good. 很好 means very good. So if you combine 很好喝 means delicious for beverages. Are you getting it? Let me know. Give me your comments below. Let me know what you think about the words, what you think about the video. Is this something that helps you? Let me know. I would love to hear your comments. So, are you still ready for more? Let's go. 这个咖啡很好喝。Earlier we said 这个咖啡很好喝. Now we can say 那个咖啡不好喝. That coffee doesn't taste good. 那个 means that one. 咖啡 means that coffee. 不好喝 不 means negation, means in this situation it's 不好喝 means how means good. 喝 means drink. So 好喝 means delicious in beverage. But if we say 不好喝 means doesn't taste nice or it's not even delicious in beverages. 进来 So you can use this, probably you're guessing, what does this mean? 进来, if you have visitors that goes to your house or in your office or into some places that you want them to come in. 进来, come in. So the other way of this is 出去我想出去 means go out. I want to go out. 我要出去 This might be a little bit of a tongue twister, but don't worry. Don't let that get into you. These are the common words. You can go back and watch the video again to practice more. And let us know your comments. If you have troubles, if you have challenges, let us know. Give us your comments below. We would love to hear from you. And we'll give you a more easier way of using Chinese. 坐下 You might guessed it. Sit down. 坐下 Sit down. 站起来 Maybe you might guess it. Stand up. Stand up. 站起来 Smart Chinese learner. If this video gives value to you and help you to break through or just getting the sense on getting the basic Chinese words, and this is something that helps you in your learning journey, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please ring that subscriber bell button below. Let us know what you think. We want to hear your thoughts. Give us those comments. Let me know what is your comments in our video. And also what you want to learn, what you want to watch on our next upcoming videos. We will craft those videos for you because our interest here is we want to help you in your Chinese language journey, your goal, and we are here for you. And I will see you on my next video. 再见。